Sometimes while working in 3ds Max, you're sure that there are no non-quarks in your 3D model, but actually there are some non-quarks. So how can you find those non-quarks in your model? And actually, there is a neat way of doing that in 3ds Max, and for that you have to be in polygon mode, and then you open up your modeling ribbon, and in selection tab you click on non-quarks, and here you go. It has selected 4 polygons, which it says that these are non-quarks. Now if I look carefully, apparently it appears that all of these polygons which 3ds Max has selected for me, it appears that they are actually quarks, but they are not. Like, they have 4 sides, but 3ds Max is treating them as non-quarks. Why it is doing so? Well, there is a very good reason for this, and we will find out the reason. We will correct the reason, and then we will convert these non-quarks into quarks. And so one by one we will move. First of all, for this polygon, and okay, I have selected this polygon. Now I will control and click vertex. This will convert my selection from polygon into vertex, and now it says 5 vertices selected. Actually there should be 4 vertices. But 3ds Max is saying 5 vertices selected. So what's the problem? To know this, first of all I will alt and click each vertex and see. Okay, there is a bug in 3ds Max, and it delays the update of this selection over here. Deselect this one, wait for selection to update. Okay, even if it hasn't updated, we can continue working, I think so. Then now, even though apparently there is no vertex selected, but my gizmo is lying over here. My gizmo is lying over here. It means that there is one vertex being selected. Look, there is one vertex which is present over here, and it has been selected. Now as I said, that there is a bug in 3ds Max which causes a delay in update of this selection. So I can just go into some other mode like edge mode. I will press 2 to go into edge mode, and then come back to vertex mode by pressing 1 key, and then it will update this part. So what I conclude is that there is some vertex. There is a single vertex which is somewhere here, because my gizmo is over here. Now I will zoom. If I will zoom over here, here you can see a vertex which is very near to the other vertex. If I bring this apart, you can see that there is a vertex. I'm gonna undo my action, and these are the two vertices. Now there is very simple solution to convert this non-quad, this ngon, into a quad. That involves welding of these two vertices. I will just simply go into modeling tab from my ribbon, go into vertices, and then click weld settings. And here, look, there is before welding there are 582 vertices, and after welding they will become 581. It means that these two vertices will be welded after I click OK, and there you go, these two vertices are welded. Now I will go into polygon mode, and then from selection I will click select all my non-quads, and here you see that these two are no more non-quads. These are now turned into quads. Very good. Now we will move forward and we will take care of these two ngons. One by one, first I select this and repeat the process which I had done earlier. Going to convert this selection into vertices, and now you can see that here it says 5 vertices selected. I will deselect this vertex, wait for it to update, or I can simply go to edge mode and then come back to vertex mode and it will update instantly. I think this is a problem with my 3ds Max. I don't know why it is doing so. I hope this isn't a bug in your 3ds Max, in your version of 3ds Max. Okay, I don't know what is causing this problem, but anyhow, now I will repeat the process again. 3 vertices, repeat the process again. Sorry, alt and click, and okay, there was some problem. Let's select it again, convert it to this vertex, deselect this, deselect this. Now it is saying 2 vertices. It means that there are 2 vertices in this area. Let's deselect first this one. And here you can see that gizmo is present in this area, and you can, if I zoom in this area, you can see clearly that there are 2 vertices which are very near to each other, and difficult to see clearly from a distance or when you are zoomed out. So this is very simple. You just click this vertex which is along this edge, and you can just go ahead and press Control and backspace. And since it was an isolated vertex, it won't affect your topology, and that's it. I hope that this time when I go into polygon mode by pressing 4 and click non-quartz, there would be no extra polygon, no polygon selected, and yes, here you go, 0 polygon selected. And in this way you can easily get rid of the ngons from your topology.